Use makeup remover to eliminate dirt, oil, and residual makeup. Cleanse the face with a facial wash. Then follow with toner. Two-pole face RF reduces fine lines. Settings. Time 10 minutes. Energy level 3. Mode NOR. Gently apply eye serum around the eyes. Move the handle in circles under the eyes. Lift from under the eye to the temple with the handle. Lift the eyebrow with the handle. Lift from the eyebrow towards the forehead with the handle. Hot and cold, promote circulation. Settings. Time 10 minutes. Energy level 3. Mode hot. Gently apply serum to the face. Move the handle in circular motions across 3 facial areas. Glide upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek. And lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Six-pole face RF lifts, tightens, and enhances skin elasticity. Settings. Time 10 minutes. Energy level 3. Mode NOR. Gently apply serum to the face. Glide the handle across 3 facial areas, move upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek. And lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Apply the facial mask and eye mask. BIO stimulates tissue regeneration. Settings. Time 10 minutes. BIO energy level 3. BIO mode M1. LED color red. Use a stamping technique to treat the entire face. Remove facial and eye masks after treatment. Apply toner, essence, eye cream, and facial cream. Schedule 1 to 3 sessions per week, with a complete treatment course consisting of 12 sessions. Contraindications: pregnancy or lactation, heart disease or pacemaker use, unhealed surgical wounds or in the recovery phase, epilepsy, severe diabetes, hyperthyroidism, or malignant tumors, skin or infectious diseases.